Ankit enjoys the thrill of experiencing new things. He travels a lot but feels buying a new car is a big hassle. For Ankit, buying a car means big down payment and finding loan. And then there's the road tax, maintenance cost and other hassles. Who's got time for all that? And what if I get bored of the same car? Ankit went online and found an extremely flexible and affordable way to get a brand new car. Open. With Open, Ankit can choose a brand new car with zero down payment, zero road tax, zero maintenance cost and a flexibility to change the car anytime he likes. He can choose from over 25 plus car models in his favorite color with roadside assistance, pickup and repair service all included. And with Open, Ankit has the flexibility of owning the car after completion of 12-month lock-in period by acquiring it for a predetermined settlement charge or continue with the month fees as per his wish. Or he can return the car at any point of time, all managed via the comfort of his phone. Easy and hassle-free, affordable, flexible, convenient. Open. Get your brand new car without the hassles of buying it today. Keep it open.